Carla, congratulations.
Thank you, Nelson. Thank you.
I cannot believe 15 years.
Yes, 15 years. Ang bilis dumadaan ng panahon, and kahit ako din di makapaniwala na 15 years na. Hindi naman din ako kasi nagbibilang eh. But yun nga, parang one day it just hits you na, oh my gosh, 15 years na pala. So ganun kabilis yung panahon, and of course parang wow, ganun ako katagal as a solid kapuso.
And how do you feel now? Siyempre, di ba, when you signed it kanina?
Relieved, siyempre. Given na yung grateful, given na yung happy and excited, pero more of talagang relieved, yun yung pinaka nararamdaman ko at this moment. Because, I mean, of course, sa kahit sino namang artista, you're not assured of anything for the rest of your life. Parang ganun, dadating talaga sa point na may question mo, in a way, di ba, na parang gusto pa ba nila ako? I-renew pa ba ako ng GMA? Okay pa ba
pumasok
ako?
Sa isip mo yan?
Of course, kasi lalo na pag naghihintay ka, di ba? And of course, hanggat walang signing, walang kontrata, may times na natatanong mo yun, naki-question mo yun. So, kinakabahan ka din at some point. But that's why relieved yung aking pinaka nararamdaman kasi, nabigyan na ng assurance na yes, they still trust me, they still believe in me, and pwede pa akong magpatuloy.
Narinig mo naman ang sinabi ng mga boss natin kanina.
Super nakakataba ng puso, nakakaiyak, lalo na coming from them naririnig mo personally and directly from them. So, sabi ko nga kanina, I don't see myself that way.
Why?
Hindi ko alam, pero I don't know why.
I know you're very humble.
Hindi naman sa para lang maging humble, pero ayoko din kasing tingnan yung sarili ko that way. Parang, kumbaga, ayokong umabot siya sa ulo ko ng ganun. So, I see myself as, just a regular actress, yung ganyan. But that's why nakaka-touch in a way na nagbigay sila ng ganung words, ng ganung mga compliments. So, parang wow, ganun yung paniniwala nila sa akin, yung tingin nila sa akin.
Well, I cannot call you a regular actress because Kapuso Primetime Goddess. Nagulat ka kanina.
Yes, actually yung Kapuso Primetime Goddess, I have no idea kung saan po yan nanggaling. Sabi ko nga, ano ba ito? Sa fans ba ito galing? Sa management ba ito? Paano na-determine yung mga ganyan? Saan nanggagaling mga titles? At the end of the day, it's still a title. It's only a title. But then, yun ang hindi ko mapaniwalaan. Parang hindi ko makita sa sarili ko, Goddess, Primetime Goddess. So hanggang ngayon, parang medyo ano pa rin yun sa ears ko. Parang,
but there's a lot of honor and a lot of responsibility there.
Yes, also. That's why. Number one, kailangan primetime ka lagi. Number two, naman lagi kang goddess yung dating mo. So parang paano naging goddess? So ganon. But yes, hindi lang sa title na yun. But of course, with the new contract, yung pagiging exclusive na Kapuso, ayun talaga, that will come with a lot of responsibilities. So, happy tayo ngayon, pero work hard tayo. Ganyan. Focus tayo and panindigan natin para maging happy sila na renew pa rin ako ng GMA, of course.
For the past 15 years, I followed your career. I think I was the first one to have interviewed you. So, bahay pa ng lola mo sa Horseshoe. Correct. But, I think you've been blessed with so many good projects.
Definitely. Parang wala pong project na dumaan na hindi maganda or yung parang
challenge.
So-so, yung ganun. Para sa akin, parang in a way, tumatak talaga lahat. May nakuha akong lesson from each one. Ang huhusay yung mga kataba kong artista, even directors, and of course, consistent yung husay ng mga writers. Pagdating sa mga scripts. So, well-received naman. And of course, I'm so grateful for that na at least the fans are very happy sa bawat project na napanood nila. Hindi sila yung nagsisi or nag-question. So, everybody happy. Parang ganun.
Sabi ni Ma'am Lilibet kanina, 2024 will be a busy year for you.
Oh, naku, thank you. Sana po.
Well, in fact, diba, katatapos mo lang mag-taping mo.
Yes, Stolen Life. And then, of course, meron ng kasunod, yung Widow's War. Very good, most especially coming from her na magiging busy year. Okay yun. Sanay po ako sa busy year. Sanay po ako na dire-diretso yung trabaho. And excited na ako. Kumbaga, sige po, umpisahan na po natin yung busy year.
Since we're talking about 2024, how do you see 2024?
Siguro parang aside from busy in a good way, kasi nga I have a new project and nagkakapirma ko lang with GMA. parang I'm optimistic, parang ganon. Hindi ko man ma-envision anong mangyayari, but optimistic ako and I look forward to what's going to happen this year.
Meron ka bang yun? Learnings ng 2023 that you would like to bring to 2024?
Okay. Learnings is talagang life can be unpredictable. You can make plans, but at the end of the day, si God pa rin ang in charge. And yung sinasabi ko kanina na hindi assured yung rest of your life eh. So, kumbaga, ang isa sa mga learnings ko from last year is hawakan mo yung bawat opportunity na binibigay sa'yo. And namnamin mo yun. Talagang you savor each opportunity, each project, each moment. Because you don't know what tomorrow brings, yung parang ganon.
But you're a good person. That's why you're rewarded. In fact, nakatira ka na sa bagong bahay mo.
Yes. Na hindi ko rin alam paano nangyari.
How do you feel? Iba na to eh. Kumbaga.
Yes. So, siya, parang may times na tutulala pa rin ako sa bahay. Inisip ko, oh my gosh, ito na yung pinangarap ko. Ito na yung
sweat,
matagal
blood, and tears yan.
Yes. Yung matagal ko ng parang in a way dream or wish na magkaroon ako sarili kong bahay, mapatayo ko siya, yung gusto kong design. May times na hindi pa rin ako makapaniwalang andun na ako, nakatira na ako doon. Tapos parang, paano nangyari? Parang ano? Pero yun nga, in a way, parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. And I still can't believe na natapos na siya, nagawa ko na siya, nakatira na ako doon. So parang pag ganun hindi ako makapaniwala, kay God ko na lang sinasabi na ikaw kasi to, parang ganyan.
Thank you talaga.
I give you credit, parang ganyan. So hindi ako, kumbaga, talagang si Lord. So thank you talaga Lord na He made it happen.
Oo eh. Alam ko na bawat tile, ikaw.
Yes, bawat tile, bawat patak ng mga luha, sa ano.
Bawat semento.
Dugot pawis, lahat luha. So, sulit, more than sulit, kumbaga, lahat ng paghihirap.
Carla, kakambyo ko.
Okay. Kambyo. Fifth gear, may fifth gear ba?
Hindi, of course, we'll talk about Chris Aquino first. Nakikita ko yung nababasa ko yung mga post.
Actually, hindi ko po nabasa yun. Bihira po ako kasi makabasa ng yung they comment and then they tag me. But it was sent by I think a follower or a fan. Yeah. Doon ko po nabasa yun. So syempre tawa po ako, natuwa. Super nakakatuwa po ako. I mean, we all know her as somebody who would, diba, say something like that or do something like that. Flattered nga po ako na naisip niya ako at kinoconsider niya akong ireto, yung mga ganyan. Pero parang, oh my gosh, parang it's so far out there na hindi naman ako yung, okay, sige po, like, let's go, Miss Chris, yung parang gano'n. Parang, hindi ko siseryosohin or what, but, kumbaga, I'm just laughing na lang at her comment, yung pag-invite niya sa akin or pagreto niya sa akin. So, pero parang medyo, yun nga, out there pa yun for me.
Eh kung, if ever magkaroon ng chance, meron ka bang time? May time ka ba?
May time po, marami pong time. Joke lang. Tama-tama, hindi pa po kami nagtitaping. Joke lang.
So, dali na lang yun,
Mahala na. Kumbaga, like I said nga kanina, may times nagpaplano tayo, pero hindi naman nasusunod yung plano natin. So, wala naman sa atin eh. Mas na ako ngayon, yung parang
flexible.
Whatever comes, whatever God throws at me is flexible. Hindi na ako yung, dapat ganito. Dapat by next year, ganyan. So, whatever na lang comes, diba, whatever blessing or even challenge, parang gano'n, lagi ko sinasabi, joke ko, bahala na si Batman, parang gano'n. Para din na mas nakakapag-let go na ako and I just let life happen, yung ganyan. Tapos sasakyan mo na lang.
You know, that's maturity. Kasi I've known you as dati, parang
planado.
Oo. Pero ngayon, mas
more of yung letting go and then just surrendering everything kay Lord. Parang gano'n na lang. Siya na bahala.
I don't know how to ask you the next question.
Cambio ulit, kung ilang gear na to.
Cambio ulit. Fifth gear na to talaga. May kasama ko si Linya doon.
No problem.
Of course, everybody knows now that, your ex-husband is here.
I didn't even know.
But how do you feel that,
Okay, parang, I don't feel, intimidated, scared, nervous. Wala namang ganon. Of course, artista siya. May obligation siya. He's a kapuso. dadating naman talaga yung day na babalik siya sa trabaho. Hindi mo maiiwasan yan. I've thought about it many times. Expected naman yan. Nobody just knew when, di ba? So, I remember pa nga saying one time na nagtatanong sa akin, so ano magiging reaction mo? Let's say, pag nagkasalubong kayo or nagkita kayo. I'm like, okay lang,
My question now is, are you ready for it?
I think naman okay lang. Ready naman ako. Hindi naman ako yung type na, ayoko or avoidant or what. You know, it's inevitable. Ika nga. Pareho kami kapuso, pareho kami artista na sa industriya. So, you know, he has his own thing. I have my own thing. I don't pay much attention to that. Kumbaga, ang dami kong gagawin, bagong project, ang daming kailangan atupagin. So, doon ako talaga nakafocus. Yung parang what's ahead, parang gano'n.
Carla, thank you very much.
Thank you,
as
Nelson.
always.
Bigyan mo na yung blazer mo sa akin kasi ganito eh.